How to sign out of Monopoly Go. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to sign out of Monopoly Go. Logging out lets you keep your Monopoly Go account secure when handing your phone to a friend. You might also want to switch accounts, maybe to try a different profile or play as a guest. So to sign out of Monopoly Go, first open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now on the main screen, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It's those three horizontal lines. Tap on the Settings option. It's the one with the gear icon. In Settings, you'll see an option called Manage Account. Tap on that. Now, depending on how you logged in, you'll see options to disconnect your Apple or Facebook account. I'm logged in with Facebook, but if you use your Apple ID, no worries. The process is the same. Just tap the Disconnect button next to the logo you see. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Disconnect again to confirm you want to log out. There's one more important step. To completely log out, we need to exit the Monopoly Go app completely and launch it again. Use your phone's specific method for accessing the app switcher, usually a button or gesture. Then swipe away the Monopoly Go app preview to close it. Now relaunch the Monopoly Go app. When you open the app again, you'll be back at the login screen. This confirms you've successfully logged out of your Monopoly Go account on mobile. And this is how to sign out of Monopoly Go. If you have any questions about Monopoly Go, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.